Welcome to another Instrument Choice Support video. In this video we will unbox the IC-0560-1040. The IC-0560-1040 is HACCP compliant and made for measuring food with a built-in IR thermometer and probe. As a bonus, this device is IP65 rated dust and waterproof. In the box there is a certificate of conformity, instruction manual, batteries and the 2-in-1 thermometer. To get started, simply remove the rear battery cover by using a small screwdriver. Insert the included batteries and screw the cover back into place. Easy to use, measure through infrared by pressing the on button or the up arrow. To measure using the probe, simply fold out and the screen will automatically change to probe temperature. The arrows on the LCD screen indicate where the measurement is coming from. An arrow on the top of the screen is IR and the arrow at the bottom of the screen is probe. Watch us measure food using the IC-0560-1040 all on our channel. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.